everybody, and welcome to my channel, Me, Food and Lifestyle. Me, it's me. Come join me today and let's continue our breakfast edition. And today I have specially made for you 5 savory breakfast recipes. And this time also we are using no eggs. Come with me, let's cook. For the first recipe, let's cook together this nice warm salmon sandwich. For the ingredients you need: sourdough bread, 100 grams of smoked salmon, 40 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, 70 grams of grated cheese, 50 grams of cottage cheese, 40 grams of cream cheese, 20 grams of capers, and some fresh dill. So start by cutting your sourdough bread in a diagonal way, so the slices is gonna be the maximum length. Cut the salmon, cut the sun-dried tomatoes, cut the fresh dill, and mix it all together in a separate bowl with all the cheese, the salmon, the tomatoes, and season it with salt and pepper. And place it on top of the sliced bread. Push it down so it's not falling apart. And cook it in the air fryer for 5 minutes, 100 degrees, or in the oven 5 to 10 minutes. And finish like this with some basil leaf and pea shoots. Enjoy! For the second recipe, I have prepared for you very easy shrimp and salmon toast. For the ingredients you need: sourdough bread, 100 grams of peeled and cooked shrimps, 1 ripe avocado, 40 grams of mayonnaise, 40 grams of sour cream, lemon juice, fresh coriander, and salt and pepper. Start by cleaning your shrimps. Remove that tail part, or better option is just to buy already cleaned and boiled ones. Cut your cherry tomatoes and add it together with the shrimps. Chop your coriander. Cut your avocado. Take out the stone and scoop it out with a spoon. Chop it into small cubes and add it to the shrimps. Add half of the lime juice. Get the juice out with a fork and season it with salt, pepper, and some chili flakes. Finish it off with the mayo and sour cream. Mix the mass nice and evenly together so all of it is covered with the sour cream and mayo. Cut the slices of your sourdough bread in a diagonal way so they're one length. Toast the bread a little bit. Use some green salad mixture on the bottom. Then place your shrimp and avocado mixture on top of the green leaves. Finish it off with decorating with some garlic sprouts and amaranth sprouts. For the third recipe, I want to share with you something that I also discovered lately: omelettes without eggs. You heard right, it's a chickpea omelette with vegetables and cheese. For the ingredients you need: 70 grams of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon baking powder, salt and pepper, 30 grams of water, 50 grams of bell peppers, 60 grams of grated cheese, 50 grams of spinach, 50 grams of butter mushrooms, and fresh parsley. In a bowl, start mixing your baking powder, chickpea flour, your turmeric and salt. Add the water and with a fork, mix it very well so there is no lumps. Cut your bell peppers, slice your mushrooms, and chop your parsley. In a high heat, start frying your mushrooms. When they have color, add in the bell peppers. Remove them from the pan. Fry your spinach just for 30 seconds and start frying your omelette. Lower the heat, cover with the lid, and the omelette is ready when it's moving on the pan and the top part has no liquid. Add your cooked vegetables and your grated cheese. And serve it like this. Garnish it with some chopped parsley and the wild garlic. For the fourth recipe, I'm gonna share with you my hash brown recipes. These easy to follow, fast hash browns I served with some bacon and bean salad. For the ingredients you need: 1 medium potato, about 140 grams, 100 grams of grated cheese, 30 grams of potato starch, 100 grams of bacon, 50 grams of chickpeas, 40 grams of sweet corn, 20 grams of salad mix, 40 grams of kimchi, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Start by peeling your potatoes. Grate the potatoes, wash them, and squeeze off the excess liquid with a paper towel or by hands. In the dry mass, add your seasoning, salt, pepper, add your grated cheese and the potato starch. Mix it all very well, so all the seasoning and all the starch is evenly. Use a little bit more oil than you usually would use, and in a medium heat, about 2 minutes on both sides when they are nice golden brown. For the salad, just mix up your kimchi, chickpeas, the sweet corn and green salad and serve it with the fried bacon, your hash browns, and enjoy! And for the fifth recipe today, I'm gonna finish off with this amazing sweet potato trio. You can call it a sweet potato toast, and here this time I tried it with 3 different toppings. For the ingredients you need: 1 medium sweet potato, 50 grams of feta cheese, 50 grams of boiled beetroot, garlic sprouts, 30 grams of green olives, 40 grams of cream cheese, 40 grams of mozzarella, 40 grams of cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, 100 grams of serrano ham, and 40 grams of cucumber. Start by slicing your sweet potato. Try to get out 3 even slices. cut off the edges and put it 2 minutes into air fryer. For the beetroot cream, put the beetroot and the feta cheese into food processor and mix it very well into nice paste. Take it out from the food processor and put it in a bowl and season with salt and some lemon juice. Mix it well. So start plating your sweet potato toast. First, put serrano and sliced fresh cucumber, like this, and garnish with some fish shells. For the second layer, start slicing your cherry tomatoes, your mozzarella. Cover the toast with some cream cheese and place the mozzarella and cherry tomatoes on the top. Season it with some salt and pepper and garnish with some green fresh basil. For the third flavor, start by putting your beetroot cream on the toast. Cut your green olives in half and place it on top of the cream. And garnish it with some garlic sprouts. This is your trio. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, friends! Ring the bell, subscribe, and like the video. Bye!